Hey beautiful people, welcome back to the channel. In a rush. As you know, one busy mama doing unboxings. Melt Cosmetics mystery box. I was also informed by Yvette. Thank you so much. Mystery box, 25 bucks, so I bought two. Let's see what's in it. It just arrived. I think I ordered it last week. So if you haven't seen my Motor Brush mystery box, go check that out over there. And if you like unboxings or hauls, I have a playlist of both. Go check them out. So Melt Cosmetics, never tried their brand. I have seen how beautiful these palettes are. I've also seen dupes of these palettes or their makeup. So let's see what's in the $25 mystery box. That's a mouthful. How beautiful is this? I am following them on Instagram, so we love you. Thank you. Look at all these beautiful lips. I wonder if there's lipstick in here. Ooh, you know what my favorite color of lipstick, by the way? It's like a deep plum, rum raisin used to be it. So, ooh, and if you didn't see my Sephora haul, Juvia's Place, go check that out. All right, guys, loving this already. Look at this. I see some stickers. It says melt with this beautiful little butterfly melt. And then we have another butterfly. I love stickers. Okay. So, say $25. Okay. 25 bucks. Each. Okay, and it shipped on the 25th. Today is 28th. That's awesome. You'll see this March 1st, hopefully. Maybe before that. Let's just get into it, okay? Ooh. Okay, so right off the bat, I can tell you that they kind of look the same. This was here and it's broken. Can you guys see that it's broken? It was out of the thing, as you've seen. So I try to be honest about a lot of things, but that is totally broken. What even was this? That's a nice package. We're gonna do this as fast as I can, but you see that? So if anybody's interested in having that, let me know. It kind of looks like a disc, which is cool. So there's Naked and Hammered. They're eyeshadows. Okay. All right. But if you're interested in having that, let me know. That's too bad. So these are the bags, and that was on top. All right. What's this? Look at the packaging, though. Very sleek, and it says Melt Metal Bond Gel Liner. I swear they make these things impossible. I'm trying not to destroy it. I really like this. Look how it's like a matte finish. Okay, so this is Prissy Metal Bond Gel Liner. Oh, it's the color of the cap, basically. That's cute and different. We have this cute little thing. I love minis, so Last Kiss in the color Last Kiss Ultra Matte Lipstick. Ooh, I wonder if it's the same. So it's looking like this very deep magenta. Oh, and it says Melt. Ooh, look at that, guys. It's got Melt written all over it. That's super pretty. All right, What else? What else? What else? Okay, we got 3 of these. What are these? Liquid Set lipstick. See those lips? Holographic. This is X. Oh, I love these kind of packages. And you can actually see the color through there. Isn't that cool? So it's like a nude. That's pretty cool. And then we have All Day Everyday eyeliner. I like that. I like eyeliners. For me, that's the easiest makeup out there. Is this white? Yes. Ooh. Oh, look at that. Super soft. Very soft. You got to be very careful. Look at, I already broke it. So kind of like Color Pops. Very, 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 very soft. But you can see that. Isn't that cool? On here it doesn't look like much, but there's some glitter. So that I'm keeping. I just put my paws all over it. And then we have a lip liner, All Day Everyday. What color is this? Ambrosia. Anybody like ambrosia? It's like the fruit mixed with whipped cream, maybe. That's the color. That's very pretty. Not really into reds, but very pretty. So I'll put that to the side. And then we have a palette. And it looks like it's the same mystery box. Okay, so 27. I like the number 27. I'm loving like the colors. I wonder if they're the same. Like this type of palette. Lengthwise. Ooh, look at that. Wonder why it's called 27. Some deep, like burnt orangey reds into some deep, deep browns. Let's see. I like it. I've never tried their formula, so I'm gonna keep this. And we're gonna do some swatches. So we have Naked Sleep Downtown, Nip Slip, Moxie, Crime Fighter, One More Thing, Thick, Vegas Past, Whiskey Neat, Moonchild. Okay, so let's go. Ooh, ooh, yeah. I only need to like go once. I was like going on. Okay, so we 2 shimmers that I can see. Oh yeah, this is very different. It's somewhat neutral, but I can see where you can build on up. Okay. Look at those colors. Very, very pretty. Okay. One more thing. Oh, I like that one. Come on. Come on. So now you've seen my fingerprints are all in it. Let's finish these swatches here. I'm loving this. It's like a grayish, taupey vibes. Okay, so you can see the 2 shimmers. Very easy to work with type of palette, I would say. So this last one kind of looked purple, so I'm curious as to, because it looks brown here, but I'm curious if I did like a eye look, if it would come off brown. I gotta get a wipe. I wasn't prepared because the box just came. All right, so we have another baggie, and it is the same palette, this copper gel liner. Oh, actually, this one looks different. What is this? Eyeliner. This says, oh no, it's the same. It's Porcelina is the white, okay? And then Ambrosia, X, and Last Kiss. So I'm gonna keep that to the side for, guess what? A giveaway. Coming soon to you. I think I'll try their liquid lips. The lip liner, I'm gonna put that to the side. The copper liner I won't use. This, somebody has to let me know if they want it. I'll put it right back in here. Looks like that was a freebie and it's broken. That's unfortunate. The white liner I'm keeping. The palette I'm keeping. So you guys, let me know. 25 bucks. Is it worth it? Do you like Melt Cosmetics? Which one is your favorite if you've ever tried? I haven't. So I'm loving these colors. Again, they're very neutral. However, it looks like great formula. So I think it was a great mystery box. Maybe I didn't need to, but I thought, hey, could be something different. Anyway, if you like these type of videos, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, comment down below, let me know your thoughts, and as always, guys, stay safe.